Hello everyone. Today we will see some examples of vector. First example, what is the distance from the point in bracket 2, 3, 4 bracket complete to first the xy plane, second the x axis, third origin, fourth point in bracket -2, 7, 3. Solution. First, the distance from in bracket 2, 3, 4 to the xy plane is mod of z is equal to 4 units. Second आहे the x axis. Distance आपल्याला करायचं, distance from 2, 3, 4 to the x axis is square root of y square plus z square is equal to in square root of 3 square plus 4 square is equal to root 25 is equal to 5 units. Third आहे origin. The distance from xyz is equal to in bracket 2, 3, 4 bracket complete to origin in bracket 0, 0, 0 is square root of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is equal to square root of 4 plus 9 plus 16 is equal to square root of 29 units. Third, the distance from in bracket 2, 3, 4 bracket complete to the point -2, 7, 3 is in square root of 2 plus 2 bracket square plus 3 -7 bracket square plus 4 -3 bracket square is equal to 16 is equal to in square root of 16 plus 16 plus 9 is equal to 41 units. Next example, prove that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to and half of the third side. Solution. Let the triangle be ABC. बघा हा triangle ABC आहे. If M and N are the midpoints of AB and AC. बघा M हा AB चा midpoint आहे, N हा AC चा midpoint आहे. Then M bar is equal to half of AB bar. M bar is equal to half of AB bar and N bar is equal to half of AC bar. Thus by triangle law, N bar is equal to M bar plus Mn bar. Therefore Mn bar is equal to N bar minus M bar is equal to AC bar minus AB bar upon 2 is equal to BC bar upon 2. Thus Mn bar is parallel to and half as long as BC bar. Mn bar हा parallel आहे BC बारला आणि BC बार पेक्षा हाफ आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे क्वाड्रिलॅटरलचं एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे. आपण नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघू. एक्सप्रेस -i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap as the linear combination of the vectors 2i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap, 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Solution. Let R bar is equal to minus I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. A bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. B bar is equal to minus 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. C bar is equal to C bar is equal to 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Consider R bar is equal to XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar. R bar is equal to minus I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is equal to X into A bar आहे in bracket 2i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap bracket complete into I bar plus in bracket 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap bracket complete plus z into 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap bracket complete. I cap minus I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap is equal to इन ब्रॅकेट x ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं ब्रॅकेटला आपल्याला मिळेल 2x plus 2y plus 3z ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट इंटू I cap प्लस इन ब्रॅकेट x minus y plus z ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट इंटू j cap प्लस in bracket minus 4x plus 3y minus 2z bracket complete into k cap. By equality of vectors we get minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 2y plus 3z, minus 3 is equal to x minus y plus z, 4 is equal to minus 4x plus 3y minus 2z. Using Cramer's rule we get x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Therefore r bar is equal to 2a bar plus 2b bar minus 3c bar. Next example बघू आपण. Show that the 3 points capital A in bracket 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 bracket complete, capital B in bracket 2 comma 3 comma minus 4 bracket complete, and capital C in bracket 0 comma minus 7 comma 10 bracket complete are collinear. Solution: if A bar comma B bar and C bar are the position vectors of the points capital A, capital B and capital C respectively, then A bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, B bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. जे आपल्याला पॉईंट्स दिलेले असतात ते सर्व IJK फॉर्मॅटमध्ये लिहून घ्यायचे. IJK फॉर्मॅटमध्ये लिहिल्यावर ए बी बार ए सी बार काढायचा. ए बी बार इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल बी बार मायनस ए बार इज इक्वल टू आय कॅप प्लस 5j कॅप मायनस 7k कॅप मिळेल आपला. फर्स्ट द्यायचा त्याला इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. ए सी बार इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल सी बार मायनस ए बार इज इक्वल टू मायनस आय कॅप मायनस 5j कॅप प्लस 7k कॅप इज इक्वल टू -1 ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर काढला आपण. इन ब्रॅकेट आय कॅप प्लस 5j कॅप मायनस 7k कॅप ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट. ए सी बार इज इक्वल टू -1 इंटू ए बी बार. ए बी बारची व्हॅल्यू आपली आलेली आहे आय कॅप प्लस 5j कॅप मायनस 7k कॅप, म्हणून आपण इथे ए बी बार लिहिला. ए सी बार इज इक्वल टू -1 इंटू ए बी बार फ्रॉम 1. That is, AC bar is a scalar multiple of AB bar. Therefore, they are parallel, but point A is in common. Hence, the points A, B, C are collinear. Next example. Show that the vectors 4i cap plus 13j cap minus 18k cap, comma I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap are coplanar. Solution: let A bar is equal to 4i cap plus 13j cap minus 18k cap. B bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. C bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. Consider A bar is equal to MB bar plus MC bar. MB bar plus NC bar. Therefore, 4i cap plus 13j cap minus 18k cap is equal to M into in bracket I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap bracket complete plus N into 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap bracket complete. Therefore, 4i cap plus 13j cap minus 18k cap is equal to in bracket M plus 2n bracket complete into I cap plus in bracket minus 2m plus 3n bracket complete into j cap plus 3m minus 4n in bracket into k cap. By equality of two vectors we have m plus 2n is equal to 4, first equation, minus 2m plus 3n is equal to 13, second equation, 3m minus 4n is equal to minus 18, third equation. Solving 1 and 2 we get m is equal to -2 and n is equal to 3. 1 आणि 2 आपण सॉल्व केलं तर आपल्याला m is equal to and m आणि n च्या व्हॅल्यू मिळते. These values of m and satisfy equation 3. Therefore, A bar is equal to minus 2B bar plus 3C bar. Therefore, A bar is a linear combination of B bar and C bar. Hence, A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Okay, students.